Hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to set up Java on the system. So for that, first thing we will do is install VS Code. Go to your browser and download VS Code and install, depending on your operating system, if it's Mac or Windows. Once you install VS Code, you will see a window, something like that. Then the second thing you want to do is install Java on your system. So you go to browser, search Java download, go to Oracle website, scroll down depending on what version of Java you want to install, JDK 26, 25 or 21. So let's say we want to install JDK 26. Then depending on your operating system, if you want Mac, I would suggest download a DMG installer, which is pretty straightforward. You don't have to set up anything. And depending on if it's AMD 64 or um, X64, download the correct DMG installer. If you are on Windows, I think you can install the 64-bit installer, this one. So download and install and just keep all the defaults. That's all you need to do. Once you are able to install Java, going back into VS Code, go to terminal and say Java version, and you should be able to see what version of Java is installed. If everything goes fine, you will see something like that. I have Java 21, but if you have installed Java 26, you will see Java 26 here. After that, go to plugins. That is the third step. Write Java. So we have installed the Java compiler on the system. Now we want to enable Java for VS Code. So install a couple of plugins. Install the first one, then language support, install debugger for Java, and then install the project manager for Java, install extension pack for Java. So these 5 plugins install. Once you are done with these installation, if you go in the Explorer on the left side, you will be able to see create Java project. If you don't see, there is a possibility that you have some folder open. Go in file, and at the very bottom you will see close folder or close workspace. Do that, save your work, and probably you will see create Java project here. Another way to do that is go in search and go into the command and say create Java project, and you will see an option to create Java project. So once you see that, you are all set to start coding in Java. That's all I want to cover in this quick lecture. In the next lecture, we will learn how to create a first project of Java in VS Code. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.